Someone asked a question yesterday. How do you increase volume in your video using CapCut? You understand? Some people doesn't know all these little things on how to use your editing software to achieve all this in your video. As you can see, I'm using this thing to do my sound. You understand? Now, if you don't have money to buy this, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase your volume using your CapCut. You understand? That was I think 3 months or 4 months ago when I've now gotten this thing. I use that trick to add volume in my video. My phone that I'm using is so low to the extent that if you shoot a video with the phone like that without editing it, you won't hear my voice. But by using CapCut, you can hear the voice. Even the result will even be like this. That's the truth. The result will be like this because I'll edit the voice in a way that it will come outside very clear. It will be as if you are using mic, but whereas you are not using mic. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you this tutorial very briefly. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Big Joe. Do me by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe.
We're in our CapCut, right? So you click on new project, you select the video we are to edit. So we'll pick, let's try this one. Let's try this video.
Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how.
So let's say, for instance, now we are to increase the volume of this video. You tap on the video, you go to this volume, you click on volume. The volume is here, you add it to 100. Before it was 50, you add it to what? Sorry, before it was 99, so you add it to 1000.
Hello guys, happy Sunday everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create your international.
So this video there is one. So now we've already increased it to 1000. So this is how to increase volume in your CapCut. For instance, now you want to do something. For instance, you want to add the volume extreme. So you can save the video and bring it back to CapCut again. By the time you export the video, bring it back to CapCut again, you draw you do the same thing. You click on the volume button and do the same thing. So this is how it's been done using CapCut. So thanks for watching.